Hello guys, do you want this type of transition in CapCut? So let's get started. Take your clips. Select the clip that you want to edit. Click on Freeze. Make it short or long according to your wish or beat. Click on Overlay. I make it short, 0.6 seconds. Keep the freeze picture before your main clip. Click on Remove BG and click Auto Removal. Sometimes it didn't work, so you can use any background removal app. I am using Photo Room. Take the screenshot and upload it on Photo Room or your any background removal app. You know. Adjust the pic according to your main clip. Crop the clip into 0.6 or 0.5 seconds. Put keyframes in the starting and in the ending. Make it small and put it in downwards in the first dot keyframe. Apply the graph cubic in. Click on Effect, Video Effects, and choose Shake. Put it in the middle. Click on Object and click All Video. Add a keyframe in the first, middle, and in the last. Adjust the middle up to 37 and 33, and the first will be 0 and the last will be 0. Duplicate the shake effect. Add oblique blur effect. Select the effect and click on Object and select All Video. Add keyframe in the beginning and in the ending. Don't change the adjustment in the first, and the last would be 0. Duplicate the effect. Add a white overlay. Crop it till 0.4 seconds and click on Splice and click on Overlay. Add 2 keyframes at the beginning and at the ending. At the end, opacity would be 0. Apply these settings and effects in all the clips. Thanks for watching.